No more retakes. Let me talk about fast video creation. You don't even need a microphone. You can turn any idea into AI narrated videos in minutes. You can have videos like this one.
I want to share with you 3 strategies to increase your Instagram engagement. So let's dive right into it. The first strategy is to post consistently. By creating a posting schedule and sticking to it, you can train your followers to expect new content from you regularly.
My name is Bruno and I'll show you a step-by-step how you can do that. You just need to go to BIGVU.tv and then we're going to start creating that AI narrated video without a microphone, without camera, everything using AI. The first thing that we're going to do is to create an AI script. To do this, after logging on BIGVU, I will just click on New Script at the top. When I click on New Script, I'll have 2 options. I can write this script myself, but I want to show you how to use AI to do that, so I'm not writing the script. I'm going to click on AI Writer on the left. Can you see it? The AI Writer. When I click on AI Writer, I need to choose the length of the script that I want. Short will be around 30 seconds, medium around 1 minute, and a long script will be around 1 minute and a half. After this, I need to choose the tone that I want to use on my script. And if you have used AI generate scripts, probably you had this issue as well. Sometimes you have a great script, but it doesn't sound like you. If you had this issue, on BIGVU, you can teach AI your writing style. So no more generic, weird scripts. You can teach AI to write scripts like you. How? You're going to choose my brand tone. And here you can use your own words to describe your writing style, or you can click on generate with AI at the bottom and just paste a text, a script that you have written, you copy and paste in this area, and BIGVU AI will learn your writing style. And this way you can create branded scripts sounding like you all the time. Today, let's be friendly. After choosing the length, the tone, you can choose the kind of script that you want. Today we're going to use expert tips, and this is perfect for those days when you're not feeling creative. For example, you want to talk about Instagram, or you want to talk about YouTube, but you have no idea if you're going to talk about YouTube Shorts, if you're going to use hashtags, the title, the thumbnail. You want to talk about YouTube, but you don't know the subject. For example, how to grow your business on YouTube. You just leave this right here, the topic that you want. When I click on Write New, BIGVU will give me 5 different options that I can choose. For example, 3 tips for growing your business on YouTube. Optimize your channel for success. Create engaging content for your audience. I just need to choose one of them and choose generate. Let me choose number 1. I'll click on generate, and this is the result that I have using AI. Take a look. I'll click on add to script, and all of this was generated by AI. I can tweak a little bit. Today I want to share with you 3 tips for growing your business on YouTube. Good. Then I just need to add a title to this project, and that's the first step. To create that AI narrated video, the first step is to have an AI script or a script. The first thing that you need, and we already have. The next step is to use the BIGVU AI voice generator. There I'll be able to clone my own voice, or I'll be able to use other voices available. Let's see exactly how we can do that. I'll click on AI voice generator. Then on this screen, to create our, I'll hit next. I can choose one of the voices available. I can choose the language. So even if I don't speak Arabic, if I have a script in Arabic, I would be able to create an audiogram, narrated video by doing this. With this, choose the language. Let me choose English. I want a male voice, and you would have these options available. I can also choose the speaking style. I want confident. Let's see.
Let me know in the comment section below. This is the COD archive. And
we have authoritative and deep.
Let us always meet each other with smile, for the smile is the beginning of...
Okay, I love this one. I love this Marco's voice. So I could use this voice if I want. I could also click on this heart to add to my favorites. And then would be easier to find the voice that I want. If I want to select only favorites, only this voice would appear. This is the first option that you have. to use one of the voices that we have available on the BIGVU library. The second option, and the one that I recommend you to do and test, is to clone your own voice. Think about that. You could clone your voice and generate videos being you using AI that created a script sounding like you, and now I can clone my voice to really sound like me. Let's do it. Let's clone our voice. To clone your own voice, you just need to click right here on clone voices. And as you can see it, I don't have voice created yet. To start cloning my voice, I'll click right here on clone voice. Then I need to upload a video that at least 1 minute. So let me do that. Let me upload a video. After a video is uploaded, I will just select, and now voice will be cloned, and that's the result that we have. Let's hear.
Hi there, this is your cloned voice sample.
Very good. Now I can rename the voice. So I'm going to add my name, Bruno. I'm going to use this voice to create an AI narrated video. Let's do it. I'll hit next at the top. I can choose the presenter picture from the assets that we have available, or I can also hit upload and upload one asset from my computer. So let me do that. And I can use this one on my audiogram. I'll just hit select, and now this will appear on my audiogram. I'll hit next. Here I need to choose the aspect ratio that I want to use. I could use horizontal, vertical, or square. Vertical is great for TikTok videos, YouTube shorts, Instagram reels. Horizontal is perfect for YouTube videos. And square, most of the time I'm going to post a square video on Facebook and LinkedIn. So let's keep as horizontal. I can also change the waveform color. Let me keep as white. And I could choose a different background if I want. So instead of purple background, I could upload my own asset to use. Or I could go to Pixabay and search for marketing, for example, and choose one of these assets to use on my background, like this one. Or I can choose something from the BIGVU library, purple shades. I have multiple colors that I could use. Then I will just click on create video at the top. Now we have created 2 audiograms. Let me show you the results that. And this is not the final result, right? You're still missing the overlays, the captions, music, and more. But let's see the result that we have so far.
Today, I want to share with you 3 tips for growing your business on YouTube. First tip, consistent content is key.
Okay, so this is the first step. You create this audiogram, this AI narrated video, and now how we can add captions, videos, music, overlays on these videos. To do that, I'll click on the 3 dots, these 3 dots right here, and I will choose Open Video Maker. When I click on Open Video Maker, I need to choose the language that I want for my captions. I translate my captions to a different language if I want, so I could be speaking English with Spanish captions, but I don't want that. I'll keep as English captions. I'll click on Create Subtitles, and when I have my captions ready, I'll just hit Open. And this that you're seeing now is Video Maker from inside. And if you realize the first scene that we have on the right side,
Today, I want to
we'll be using a lower third like this one. I can change the layout of each scene. So the first scene, instead of a lower third, use captions if I prefer. So now I have captions. Good. So this AI narrated video already added captions. The first thing that I would do is to click on themes on the left and change the captions template that I'm using. So instead of gradient, let me add boxes. It already looks different. Now I could also use custom colors. If I want to change this color, for example, instead of this blue, I could use red, I could use green, I could add a new color using a hex code right here at the bottom. I could use a hex code. Let's keep this as blue. I can also add captions animation like box highlight, and suddenly our video already looks like this.
3 tips for growing your business on YouTube. First tip, consistent content is key.
And now it's time to start adding B-rolls, overlays on this video. To do that, I'll just click in one of these 3 options that we have here on Media, Uploads, Library, and Pixabay. Uploads, I can upload my own assets that I want to overlay on my video. I have a few assets here, but I want to show you how to use Pixabay. On Pixabay, you can find free assets. So let's search for marketing images first. How to grow your business on YouTube. It could be this image, for example. I'll just drag, or this one. I'll just drag and drop on the scene where I want to overlay the image. And now my video, instead of appearing just the audiogram, will look like this. I can add the zoom effect, so it will be full screen. And we need now a new overlay on the second scene. After adding the first video to the first scene, I also have added a few images to the other scenes. Let me show you again, show you one image, adding one image to the second scene. So search for marketing again. Let me find one good asset. One good asset to use it could be this one. So drag and drop in the second scene. And one thing that I can do, I can also change the layout when I add a scene. For example, I added this scene as an overlay. I could also use this split as a layout and suddenly looks like this. I don't want a zoom effect. Here I have this image, will be zoom in. This one I can add 110. Here 110 of zoom. Here if I add a split also looks good. And here also split. So as you can see it, I have overlaid a few assets in a few scenes to make this AI narrated video more professional. The next thing that I would do would be clicking on add logo. Now I'll click on visible and I'll choose yes to show my logo on my whole video. One last thing that I would do would be to add a music background. So I'll just click on music, choose one of these copyright-free musics like Pad.
Today, I want to share with you,
and that's it. I'll be able to add this music on my video to make it more engaging. I just need to click on create at the top now. And the result of that video will be this one.
Today, I want to share with you 3 tips for growing your business on YouTube. First tip, consistent content is key. Make sure you are posting videos regularly and on a schedule that your audience can rely on. This will not only keep your audience engaged, but also improve your visibility on the platform.
Besides creating an AI narrated video like that one with overlays, music and more, there are a lot of things that you can do it on BIGVU. We have the 4S formula where you can create a script using AI, then go to the teleprompter and record your video appearing there instead of creating an audiogram. Then you can edit this video with captions, logo, music, overlays, and at the end we can share this video on all social channels, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram with one click. It's what we call the 4S formula. You script, shoot, style, share, all in one app. What do you think? Would you try it? Go to App Store and Google Play right now and search for BIGVU and start delivering your message today.